Quality starts here at the source. The mineral composition is perfect today.
Calcium carbonate levels are stable, ready for the primary crushers. The thermal reaction is proceeding exactly as modeled.
Efficiency is up 5%. Let's move to the final grinding phase.
Batch 42 is cleared for distribution. Logistics are on standby.
From the quarry to the shelf, the quality remains uncompromised.
Das ist direkt mein Lehrbuch, ja?
The supply chain is complete. Well done, Elena.
Building the future, one bag at a time.
The next sector is ready. We maintain the same precision as the last. Steady. The vibration frequency is exactly where it needs to be.
Uploading field data. Cross-referencing with the kiln temperature now.
If we maintain this flow, we will exceed the quarterly distribution target.
Dispatching batch 43. Ensure the scan logs are updated in real time.
The data is consistent across all points. Our standard is met. We don't just supply materials. We provide the foundation for what comes next.
The stability of the lower tiers is optimal. We can accelerate the extraction.
Purity levels are exceptional. This vein will yield high-grade cement. Feed rate adjusted. The vertical mill is now at peak efficiency.
The thermal profile is perfect. We are ready for the automated palletizing phase.
Inventory confirmed. All batches are tagged and ready for the morning dispatch.
Presentation is key. Our customers expect this level of excellence.
The packaging held up perfectly during transport. The logistics were flawless.
This is more than cement. It is the foundation of every structure in this city. Conditions are perfect for the primary blast. Clear for operations. Temperature rising to operational baseline. Systems are stable.
Adjusting the micron settings, we need maximum surface area for the new batch. The throughput is at record levels today. The mills are keeping up perfectly. Logistics are green. The first shipment for the Northern project is on its way.
Our standards are now the industry benchmark. Everything looks impeccable. We provide the strength. They provide the shape. Together, we build the future.
The environmental impact is minimized. Air quality levels are within safety margins.
The limestone purity increases as we go deeper. Excellent raw material for the kilns.
The additive ratio is perfect. This batch will achieve maximum structural density.
Power consumption is synchronized with the local grid. We are at peak sustainability.
Batch 47 is verified. The traceability logs are fully updated.
This batch exceeds the latest durability certifications. It is the best we have ever produced.
Every great achievement in that city began with a foundation as solid as ours.
The site integrity is perfect. We are ready for the northern phase expansion.
Calcium carbonate levels are optimal. This batch will meet our highest durability grade.
The thermal reaction is proceeding exactly as modeled. The mixture is stable.
Efficiency is up by 5%. Let's transition to the automated storage phase.
Batch 57 is cleared. The supply chain is moving at full capacity.
From the source to the shelf, our quality remains the industry standard. The feedback from the first site trials is excellent. Well done, Elena. We provide the foundations. The rest is for others to build upon.
The northern phase is stable. We can proceed with the high-capacity extraction today.
Calcium carbonate levels are optimal. This vein is perfect for high-strength cement.
The thermal reaction is proceeding exactly as modeled. The mixture is stable.
Efficiency is up by 5%. Let's transition to the automated logistics phase.
Batch 67 is verified and cleared. The supply chain is fully synchronized.
From the quarry to the shelf, our quality remains the industry benchmark.
The feedback from the first site trials is excellent. We've set a new standard today.
We provide the foundations. Everything else is for the city to build upon.
The northern phase is stable. We can proceed with the high-capacity extraction today.
Calcium carbonate levels are optimal. This vein is perfect for high-strength cement. The thermal reaction is proceeding exactly as modeled. The mixture is stable.
Efficiency is up by 5%. Let us transition to the automated logistics phase.
Batch 77 is verified and cleared. The supply chain is fully synchronized.
From the quarry to the shelf, our quality remains the industry benchmark.
The feedback from the first site trials is excellent. We have set a new standard today.
We provide the foundations. Everything else is for the city to build upon.
The cycle efficiency is peaking. Let's move to the next geological tier.
Purity levels are holding steady. This batch is ready for the primary crushers. Thermal stabilization is complete. The mixture meets all structural standards.
This batch is authorized. The foundation for the new city center is on its way.